Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to unsubscribe on Soundcloud application or website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you can use to follow these tutorial steps, because you cannot unsubscribe unless you are using the web. Of course, you can use it through your phone, but make sure to use it through a browser, because in the application you cannot unsubscribe. Anyway, you would like to go the browser that you're going to use for this tutorial. For me, as you notice, I'm using Brave, but for you, of course, you can use any other browser that could be possibly working for you. And of course, then you would like just to go and type soundcloud.com, and that will actually take you into this page. And of course, from here you'd like just to go and log into your account. If you don't have an account, just go and create your account. Of course, you have the option of creating your account by your Gmail or Facebook. That will actually prevent you from doing all the steps or the boring steps of creating your account. And actually, after logging into your account, that will actually be your home or your main screen. You may have here different songs depending on what songs you're listening to or what they are actually suggesting to you. Anyway, if you want to actually unsubscribe, so for me, as you can see, I have this Try Next Pro, so this will actually take me here. So I'm not even subscribed yet into any plan. So if you go to let me just give you the step through Google, because I don't want to get you confused or anything. So from Google, as you can see, please note that you cannot cancel via the app, only using a computer. By computer, they are actually mean in a browser. You can even use it from your browser phone, and then if it's not possible, if just possible on computer, just on your browser phone, just click on the three lines like here, and you will have an option there. Use it as you are in a computer. Just check it, and you will actually use the browser like you are on a computer. Then you would like to sign in to your account, and on a computer, of course, which is could be possible a phone, and go into your subscription page. So for you, this will actually be your subscription page. But as I said, for me, I don't have any subscription, so I don't have the option to unsubscribe. But for you, of course, you will just need to click on the icon next to your current subscription status. Just click edit and follow the prompt to cancel your plan. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.